By the late 1960s, Ford trucks were no longer just machines for hauling. They had become a symbol of American pride. The 1967 to 1970 Ford F-Series brought a new design language that perfectly balanced style, comfort, and capability. These were trucks built for work yet refined enough for Sunday drives. The redesigned body was wider, longer, and far more aerodynamic, featuring bold grilles and smoother lines. Inside, the F-Series adopted car-like interiors with padded dashboards, radios, and comfort-driven details never seen before in a pickup. In 1969, powerful V8 South and automatic transmissions became standard, giving Ford the edge in both performance and drivability. From farmers to city dwellers, everyone wanted one. This era didn't just redefine trucks, it set the foundation for luxury pickups. And it paved the way for Ford's next great innovation, the legendary F-150. In 1967, America was at a crossroads. Muscle cars ruled the roads. Space-age design filled showrooms, and pickup trucks were starting to blur the line between rugged utility and everyday luxury. Ford, already a leader in the truck market, decided it was time to create something revolutionary, something that could work hard all weekend, still turn heads on the weekend. That something was the fifth-generation Ford F-Series 1967 to 1972, a truck that transformed the image of pickups forever. The first thing buyers noticed was the design. Ford completely reimagined the F-Series body, making it wider, longer, and far more stylish. Gone were the purely utilitarian lines of the early models. This truck looked modern, sleek, and confident. The hood was flatter, the grille bolder, and the stance more powerful. It was clear Ford wanted this generation to be more than just a workhorse. It was a statement of progress. But it wasn't just about looks. Underneath that sharp body sat an entirely new frame built for strength and durability. Ford engineers improved rigidity, upgraded suspension systems, and offered new load-bearing options. Whether hauling timber, towing a trailer, or taking the family camping, the new F-Series could handle it all with ease. By 1968, the lineup expanded to include the F-100, F-250, and F-350, giving customers choices that fit every need from personal use to professional heavy-duty work. Ford also began experimenting with features that would soon become industry standards: power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning amenities once reserved for luxury cars. The interiors were where Ford made its boldest leap. The F-Series cabins became more comfortable than ever before. Padded dashboards to tone color schemes and new seat materials created an upscale experience that was unheard of in trucks at the time. For the first time, owners could enjoy AM radios, temperature controls, and stylish chrome details. The F-Series was no longer just about getting the job done, it was about enjoying the journey too. Under the hood, Ford made sure power was never in short supply. By 1969, the F-Series offered a range of strong V8 options, including the 360 and 390 cubic inch engines, both delivering serious torque for hauling and towing. Automatic transmissions became more common, giving drivers smoother shifts and better performance on highways. This generation also introduced a new sense of confidence. The F-250 and F-350 heavy-duty models became favorites among contractors, farmers, and construction crews for their unbeatable towing strength. Yet, the F-100 remained the top seller, dominating driveways and dealership lots across America. Ford's advertising reflected the changing times, no longer just about brute strength. The new ads focused on comfort, reliability, and pride of ownership. Work hard, ride easy became the unspoken motto of this generation. Owners loved that they could use their truck as both a tool and a companion. Then came 1970, a year that introduced even more refinement. The grille design evolved, trim options expanded, and new color choices brought individuality to each model. Customers could choose from base work trucks to luxurious Ranger trims, which came with plush interiors, upgraded badges, and unique styling cues. By 1971, Ford had perfected the formula. Trucks were selling faster than ever. The F-Series had become a cultural icon, appearing in movies, television shows, and even country music lyrics. It wasn't just a vehicle anymore, it was a symbol of American determination and pride. Behind the scenes, Ford engineers were already thinking ahead. The company saw that the F-100, while popular, left a small gap in the lineup. Back in 1972, as the fifth generation reached its final year, the F-Series had fully matured into what we recognize today as a modern truck. It was comfortable, stylish, powerful, and versatile. It didn't just serve its owners, it represented them. For Ford, the 1967 to 1972 models proved something profound. Trucks could be tough and luxurious at the same time. They could conquer a muddy construction site in the morning and cruise downtown in the evening without missing a beat. Collectors today look back at these models as the golden age of design. Their clean lines, balanced proportions, and mechanical reliability make them highly desirable classics. Restorers often call the 1970 to F-100 the last of the true vintage trucks before emissions regulations and modern designs changed everything. In the big picture, the 1967 to 1970 Ford F-Series didn't just evolve, it elevated the entire truck industry. It brought elegance to strength, technology to tradition, and heart to horsepower. It was, without question, the birth of modern truck luxury, a legacy that still defines the Ford F-Series today.